Hand control and foot control have the same functions, but with the foot control, both of your hands are free. We have the button here in the middle. That's the one we use to turn on the TurnAid. We turn on the TurnAid by pressing twice, like this. Then you'll hear a small beep, which means it's now ready. The TurnAid will automatically turn off if you haven't used it for a minute and a half. Then we have the right side here, where we use the right foot. Plus means that we pull the sheet onto the green roll. Minus means that we loosen the sheet on the green roll. Then we move over to the left foot here. Plus means we pull the sheet onto the red roll. Minus means we loosen the sheet on the red roll. At the top here, there's a speedometer. The speedometer means you can change the speed of the TurnAid by pressing it, like this. When you set the speed on the foot control, it also changes on the hand control, so you can always see what speed it's running at. Now you can see it says 100, and that means it's running at 100%. Here it's running at 75%. Here it's running at 50% speed. The hand controls are used when we lift the resident up in bed. That's when we use the hand controls. Otherwise, we use the foot controls so that our hands are free to work and to guide the resident. The TurnAid bed rail is designed so that it bends slightly, as you can see here, compared to regular bed rails. This means that you can use it both as a work tool, that is, you can actually lean against it and do things here without having to raise your shoulders. You lower the bed rail using the two black handles. And that means all you have to do is this, and it will lower itself automatically. When you want to raise the bed rail again, you just use a single finger like this. Then it clicks and it locks into place. The two blue handles are for when we convert the bed rail into a turning system. That means all we do is turn the bed rail around, and now it's a turning system. On both bed rails, the color of the motor roller is marked, which means over here we have red and over here we have green. So if the roller is covered by the sheet, you can always see what color the roller is by looking at the bed rail. This plate here we call the stabilization plate. This means that even if there is an alternating pressure mattress on the bed, you can still be pulled all the way out to the edge and still lie stably. You can do that even if it's a foam mattress. You can also use it to sit on. If you need to transfer in and out of bed, we can have the person sit on it